Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best pink office chairs that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Yahi Tech desk chairs. If you are looking for a pink office chair, this chair from Yahi Tech might perfectly catch your eyes. It looks attractive in its astonishing shade of pink. Apart from that, it gives you both convenience and comfortability within its special design. Surprisingly, you can comfortably move from one place to another while sitting on this chair with the support of a 360-degree swivel. In addition, its strong material composition and function of the steel bars make it durable and cause less damage to floors. Plus, the armrests provided are movable, which allows you to turn the desk chair into a bar stool anytime. Moving on at number 4, we have Neo Rolling Swivel Desk Chair. Having a problem with the seat space of the office chair? Neo Chair exceptionally responds to this requirement of consumers. This model lets you enjoy sitting in a spacious and wide seat, which makes you still experience the comfortability even working for long hours. Together with a premium elastic molded sponge, you can boost your productivity as you will not feel any excruciating pain. Additionally, its dual fabric technology upgrades your office look and keeps things cool through a durable fabric and breathable mesh respectively. Neo Chair does not only offer you the best seat but also the best poo wheels. In particular, the wider poo wheels provided are very beneficial as it is scratch-free and noise-free as well as rolls smoothly. At number 3, we have MST Elegant Plush Pink Office Chairs. As there is space limitation for your room or office decoration, you may need an office chair that fits the space perfectly. Uniquely, the metal base with a gold finish design uplifts the elegance of this chair to another level. Thus, this measurement is a great fit for a home office, dorm room, or professional workspaces. Make your room or office into a fashionable, yet functional space with this chic Mainstays Blush Velvet Office Chair. Generously padded with high-density foam and wrapped in a soft velvet material, this chair will provide hours of lasting comfort and support during those long study sessions or work hours. Chair back is ergonomically curved to provide durable back support and stability. The elegance of the blush fabric is complemented by a painted gold base. Black dual wheel caster allow you to easily move about the room as needed. Customizable pneumatic seat height adjuster allows you to set your chair up to fit your needs. At number 2, we have Otto Full High Back Gaming Chair. This chair is considered the greatest choice for people who sit for many hours either working or gaming. Because you have to sit for long hours accomplishing your tasks, it is a must to sit in the most comfortable posture. This model enables you to adjust as well as set the angle, seat and armrest height, lumbar pillow, and head pillow fixed. In view of durability and sturdiness, this chair is constructed with various materials such as metal frames and explosion-proof gas springs. In addition, alternative materials like PU leather and memory foams assure your well-being and satisfaction. All these available features help reduce back pain, exhaustion, and fatigue. Surprisingly, this unit is able to withstand 330 pounds at its maximum. And finally at number 1. FTW MidBack Lumbar Pink Office Chairs. This office chair from FTW suits people who have back problems or muscle problems excellently. Thanks to its breathable and well-ventilated backrest, you will feel less pressure on your back and no longer suffer muscle fatigue. FTW chairs, through its pursuit of excellence and continuous efforts, have added the element of health to the traditional sitting culture, vigorously promoting a healthy sitting culture, and hope that people can maintain the passion of life every day as well as creating vitality. Identically, you can lean your back in comfort as there is rocking mode available from 90 degrees to 120 degrees. With its durable casters, you can move 360 degrees freely and quietly without causing annoyance to others. Besides, there is a 3 inches gap for height adjustment and 250 pounds for weight capacity. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.